Rennick, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cutout paper heart with a few simple steps. After that, I'll show you a couple other ways that you can make them, or how you can easily make more than one heart, so lots of different hearts. Come along with me and I'm going to show you the steps. Also, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the section down below. If you have any questions or have anything that you would like me to show you how to do, let me know. I'll try to make a video. Thanks. Okay, so the basic steps to making the simple heart is to have a piece of paper. I have a square one, but you could do it with a rectangular piece of paper. I have red, but you could use copy paper, newspaper, whatever you want to, and then a pair of scissors and something to write with. So first, we're going to take our paper, fold it in half. So we line up the edges, hold it in the center, squish the middle, and then you start from down here, you go up, around, and down to a point. And that's going to be half of a heart. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Start down low, come up, curve around, and then go at a diagonal down, like that. Then, before you open it, take your scissors. It doesn't matter what size of scissors you have. Big ones, little ones. Sometimes I prefer little ones, but these are the scissors I could find right now. Cut it. Remember to turn your paper and keep your scissors in one spot. So now I've done that. So now if I open it up, I have a heart. And you could do something fun with the other one too. So, you could play with the negative spaced one also. So that's how you do that. I also wanted to show you, if you want a lot of hearts, you could keep doing it that way, or you could trace that one so that you would have some with no crease in the middle. It doesn't matter if you have the crease, but if you didn't want one, you could just set it on there, trace around it, and cut it out. This paper that I have is a different color on the back side, so it would be easier for me to trace it this way. So you could trace it with your Sharpie, or if you were able to, you could just cut it while you hold it. So that is one method. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that just in case you want to. You can see that I made another mark here. So on the back, it doesn't matter. You can't see it. I think just so that I don't get marker on my heart, I'm going to trace it on the back side. You might want to make artwork with a bunch of hearts. Okay. So now I have this one. And I can cut that whole thing out. And one thing I like to do that makes it easier is I don't go right into that little corner. I go past it first. And then I go into the little dip, and that makes it a little bit easier to cut out. So I start on one, go down to the dip, and start on the other bump and go down to the dip. And there I have another heart, two identical ones. So that is how you do that. I'm going to show you one other way to make a heart. Sometimes you want them perfect like this, but sometimes you want them to have a little bit of fun personality, be a little bit swoopy, or just have something less than perfectly symmetrical. So I'm going to show you how to do that with one more piece of paper. So again, I'm going to draw on the back side so that I don't see it when I cut it out. But this time I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to draw a heart. But I'm not going to try to make it perfect. I'm just going to have fun. So I'm going to start in the center and just make a little swoop. And then I'm going to make another one. And again, doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun with it. So this time I didn't fold it in half because it is not going to be symmetrical, but I'm going to still cut it out the same way. So again, I like to skip that little dip for a second. Makes it a little bit easier to cut it out neatly and have good craftsmanship. And then go in, cut this little dip. And then you have a heart with a little personality, a little less symmetrical. So there are 3 ways that you can make a heart. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you let me know if you try it. So I hope you enjoyed making hearts with me. Remember we made the one where we folded the paper in half and cut it out? We did one where we traced that heart and just had an extra copy. And we made one that was not folded in half, not symmetrical, and a little bit more loose. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know. Thanks again and have a great day. Bye.